Good morning to everyone. Today I explain about the topic strength of materials to last class continuation. Next models of structural materials already discussed last class. Steel 2.1 into 10 power of 11, concrete 1.7 into 10 power of 10, rubber 7 into 10 power of 6, biological materials that means bone, cartilage, tendon, locust, cat, cat, low, low cast, Catkill 9.4 into 10 power of 9 is the stress required to produce 100% strain. These are the Young's modulus values per Newton per meter square for each material. Today discuss about for problems. This is the problem example 1. See, a spring 600 centimeters long is stretched by 2 centimeters by the application of the load of 200 grams. What will be the length when a load of 500 grams is applied? See, y equal to FL by capital FL by cap, capital A into small m. For the first case, y equal to 0.2 into 9.8 into 0.6 divided by A into 0.02. That means F equal to 0.2 converts the force. Force means load. 200 grams is converted into kg into that means into 9.8 into zero point 0.6. That means 6 centimeters is converted to meters. 0.6 meters. Area is not given. Small l equal to 0.02. So that means meters. Length is given 2 centimeters is converted into 0.02. For the second case, y equal to 0.5 into 9.8 into 0.6 divided by capital A into small l2. This given to two loads. What will be the length when a load of 500 grams? First one is 200 grams, second one is 500 grams load will be given. L2 equal to, that means 0.05 meters. L2, that is, it converts into centimeters, 5 centimeters. Total length 60 plus 5, that means that equal to 65 centimeters. This is the problem to find out what will be the length. This is first will be find out the length. This problem to calculate the length. See this formula. Two conditions for two cases. First case and second case. Total length will be given to 0.05 meters, converts into 5 centimeters. L2 will be calculated, and L2 is this adding the total length of 60 plus 5, that means 65 centimeters. It is the total length for applying load for 500 grams, increasing the length 65 centimeters. This is the example 1 for calculating the Young's modulus values. Another example 2. 4 identical hollow cylindrical columns. Hollow means nothing but 2 cylindrical columns of steel support a big structure of mass 50,000 kg. The inner and outer radius of each column are 30 centimeters and 40 centimeters respectively, assuming the load distribution to be uniform. Calculate the comparison strain of each column. The Young's modulus of steel is 2 to 10 power of 11 Newton meter square. See the data, go to solution, radius for first cylindrical column and arc to the second cylindrical column, 30 centimeters and 40 centimeters. It's converted to meters, 0.3 meters, 0.4 meters. X modulus y equal to, it's given to problem, y equal to 2 into 10 power of 11 Newton meter square. Small g, it gives acceleration due to gravity 9.8 meter second. That means Newton per meter square. N meter to the power of minus 2, that means Newton per meter square. That means 9.8 acceleration due to gravity, small g, that equal 9.8 meter per second square. Meter per second square. Cross sectional area. Two columns are there, cylindrical columns. Cylindrical dimensions taken into radius. R1 equal to 30 centimeters, R2 equal to 40 centimeters, it converts to 0.3, 0.4 converts to meter. Area equal to pi into R2 whole square minus R1 whole square. A equal to pi into 0.4 square minus 0.3 whole square. Area equal to 0.22 meter square. That means the hollow circular columns calculate the cross-sectional area. A equal to 0.22 meter square. The compressional force on each column is the compressional force on each column is F equal to 50,000 into 9.8 acceleration due to gravity divided by 4, that equal to 1.225 into 10 to the power of 5 newtons. Compressional strain in each column. Strain equal to actual formula X modulus y equal to stress by strain. We want to strain, that equal to stress by y. Stress by y means X modulus. Stress equal to force by area. That equal to 1.225 into 10 power of 5 newtons. It is the force divided by 0.22 meter square into 2 into 10 power of 11 Newton per meter square. That means the calculation of strain equal to 2.78 into 10 to the power of minus 6. This is the calculation of strain for a hollow cylindrical column supplying the load in a 50,000 kg. It converts to load, it converts into newtons into 9.8 kg. 1 kg equal to 9.8 newtons. To convert the units kg to newtons, 50,000 kgs converts to newton, that means into 9.8. 1 kg equal to 9.8 newtons divided by 4. Strain equal to stress by X modulus, that equal to F by A divided by Y. That means X modulus formula is stress by strain. It converts to conversion strain equal to 2.784 into 10 power of minus 6. strains are no units. This is the solution to calculate the strain in this identical hollow cylindrical columns of steel compound. A big structure of mass 50,000 kg inner and outer radius. Each column are radiuses are given. Comprehension strain of each column. Strain will be calculated. Young's modulus will be given. Total strain will occur 2.784 into 10 to the power of minus 6. Another example, example 3 problem. Calculate the percentage increase in length of a wire of diameter 2.2 mm stretched by a load of 100 kg. Young's modulus of wire is 12.5 into 10 to the power of 10 Newton per meter square. Percentage increase in length of wire. To calculate this, acting on the load 100 kg, diameter of wire equal to 2.2 millimeters, and given Young's modulus 12.5 into 10 to the power of 10 Newton per meter square. Go to solution. Young's modulus is already given 12.5 into 10 to the power of 10 Newton per meter square. Capital F equal to 100 kg. 100 kg into 9.8 meter per second square. That means 980 newtons. 980 newtons. Load is given kgs to convert the newtons. This is the formula F equal to 100 kg into 9.8 meter per second square. Area formula diameter is given, the wire diameter. Diameter is given. Area of the formula pi by 4 d square. Area equal to pi by 4 d square. Young's modulus capital F into capital L divided by capital A into small l. Small l by capital L converted into F capital F by A into capital A into Y. Area, first we will calculate the area. Diameter of the bar given to 2.2 mm. This converts to meters divided by 1000. 2.2 divided by 1000 written as 2.2 into 10 power of minus 3 whole square. Total area of the wire 3.8 into 10 to the power of minus 6 meter square. Substitution this formula y equal to FL by capital A into small l. It converts the formula small l by capital L equal to F by A, F by capital A by Y. Substitution this formula, the values F equal to 980 newtons, area 3.8 into 10 to the power of minus 6 meter square into 0.5 into 10 to the power of 10 Newton per meter square. Totally 0.0021. Percentage increase in length L by small l by capital L equal to 100, 0.21 percentage. This is the ratio of increasing length. To convert the percentage in length, L by small l into 100. 0.0021 into 100, that equal to 0.21 percentage. This is the calculation of increasing the length of percentage wire. This is the procedure. This is the solution. This is the problems for practice. Calculating the percentage of increasing the length, or calculate the Young's modulus, or calculate the strain, or calculate the stress. Yeah, these are the examples for problems. Answers will also be given in this problems. See this different types of problems. 1 to 5 problems. Will be try to practice the problems. Any doubt? Inform me to clarify the doubt in given problems. Go to next slide. Bulk modulus. The indicates K, capital K. Bulk modulus indicates capital K. This refers to situation in which the volume of a substance is changed by the application of external normal stress. That means bulk modulus capital K equal to normal strain divided by volumetric strain. The ratio of normal strain and volumetric strain, that is called bulk modulus. The symbol of bulk modulus capital K. Normal stress sigma equal to load by area, volumetric strain, change in volume divided by original volume. The negative sign is included to indicate that the volume decreases with an increase in pressure. Capital K equal to minus F by A delta V by V equal to minus Fi by capital A delta V. That is pressure P equal to force by area. Y equal to X modulus. Y equal to minus V P by delta V. Substitute this value. How to get the formula? Pressure equal to force by area. Force by area replaced by pressure P. Substitution of this F by A, replace the P. F by A plus లో P ని ప్లేస్ చేస్తాం ఈ ఫార్ములా. ఎక్స్ మోడ్యులస్ ఫార్ములా ఏంటంటే స్ట్రెస్ బై స్ట్రెయిన్. ఎక్స్ మోడ్యులస్ ఫార్ములా మీన్స్ స్ట్రెస్ బై స్ట్రెయిన్. స్ట్రెస్ ఫార్ములా వచ్చేసరికి P, స్ట్రెయిన్ అంటే చేంజ్ ఇన్ లెంగ్త్ బై ఒరిజినల్ లెంగ్త్. This is the Young's modulus of the formula y equal to minus V P by delta V. Example. Problem for this bulk modulus K. A spherical ball contracts in volume by 0.01% when subjected to a normal uniform pressure of 10 to the power of 8 Newton meter square. Find the bulk modulus of the material. A spherical ball contracts in volume by 0.01%. Volume, take a spherical ball, that means circular ball, just like example for cricket ball or volleyball. For example, when subjected to a normal uniform pressure of 10 to the power of 8 Newton meter square, find the bulk modulus of the material. Bulk modulus of the material will be calculated. Capital K equal to V into P by delta V. P means pressure, 10 to the power of 8 Newton per meter square. Contact in volume by 0.01%. Change in volume by original volume 0.01%. This converts the value 10 to the power of minus 4. 0.01 divided by 100 into 10 to the power of minus 4. Capital K equal to, the formula, V into P by delta V. P means 10 to the power of 8, delta V, V by V, 10 to the power of minus 4. Therefore, K equal to 1 into 10 to the power of 12 Newton meter square. That is the bulk modulus of the material. Bulk modulus of the material. This is the solution. This is the problem model for calculating a bulk modulus. Problem for practice, calculating the bulk modulus. Simple formula and simple solution. Any doubt, inform me. To clarify the doubt, for this practice of problems. You note these problems and practice in home and forward to me. Any doubts, contact me. These are the practice for problems. Bulk modulus, shear modulus of rigidity modulus. This refers to situations in which the shape of a substance is changed by the application of tangential stress. Tangential stress divided by shear strain. That is the main concept of shear modulus or rigidity modulus. Nu. Nu equal to tangential stress by shear strain. Changed that refers to situation in which the shape of a substance is changed by the application of tangential stress. See this picture. This is shear modulus tangential stress. Applying the force tangentially, the shape of diagram. See this. Applying force tangentially. Tangential stress equal to load by area. That means F by A. Shear strain theta equal to tan theta. Angle between this is the angle for changing of shape of the dimension for this diagram, that equal to delta x by L. That means change in length divided by original length. Nu equal to capital F by small l divided by A into delta x. This is the formula for shear modulus or rigidity modulus. Example for this problem. A rubber cube of side 20 centimeters has one side fixed, while a tangential force equal to the weight of 400 kg is applied to the opposite face. Find shearing strain and the distance through which the strained side moves, given that modulus of rigidity for rubber is 18 to 10 to the power of 6 Newton meter square. See this problem. Rubber cube of side. Cube means that means three sides. Side 20 centimeters of one side fixed, while a tangential force equal to the weight of 400 kg applied to the opposite face. That means total weight of the body, the rubber cube weight 400 kg. Applying force and find out the shearing strain and distance through which the strained side moves. Given that the modulus of rigidity for rubber 18 to 10 power of 6 1 per meter square. See the solution. Shear stress load by area. Load means for 400 kg. Sorry, 400 kg and converts the 9.8 into converts the newtons. Area means 20 into 10 to the power of minus 2. That means 20 centimeters converts to meters and whole square. That means the rubber cube. That means the diameter will be taken. Area will be rubber cube outside 20 centimeters. Square cube. Area equal to 20 10 to the power of minus 2 whole square. Square area formula sine square. Totally 9.8 into 10 to the power 4 Newton per meter square for shear stress. Theta equal to 9.8 into 10 to the power meter square divided by modulus of rigidity. Theta value 0.0123, 0.123, and calculate the second point delta x by L. L equal to that means theta into L. That means 0.0123 into 0.2, 0.0025 meters. L equal to 0.25 centimeters. Capital L equal to, calculate the value, and shear stress value. U equal to shear stress by shear strain. Theta equal to shear stress by mu. This is the problems for the solutions and calculations. Shear stress by mu. Mu means modulus of rigidity. First, we calculate the shear stress divided by shear strain. Shear stress equal to shear stress, 9.8 into 10 to the power of 4, and theta equal to 9.8 into 10 to the power of 4 shear stress by nu. Nu means modulus of rigidity 18 into 10 to the power of 6 Newton meter square. Theta value is given. Theta equal to formula delta x by L. L equal to theta into L, capital L. L equal to 0.2. Finally, length 0.25 centimeters. You calculate the distance through which the strain side moves. It moves at 0.25 centimeters. This is a calculation of shear modulus or modulus, rigidity of modulus. These are the problems, for examples, and the calculation, simple formulas, simple problems. Next class, I will discuss about um, axial loading and biaxial loading and tangential loadings. Next class will be discussed and calculate the problems and solutions. Last class we discussed all the parameters for volumetric strain, types of stresses, normal stresses, different types of stresses, elasticity, Young's modulus. Last class will be discussed. Next class will be discussed tangential stresses and axial loaded axial load under axial loading, and will be start. Thank you. Any doubts, contact me and information me. We'll explain again. Thank you. Thank you this opportunity.